In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color in Figma. Let's start from the very beginning. Make sure you have your Figma file open and that you can clearly see the text you want to edit on your canvas. This might be a heading, a button label, or a paragraph of body copy. Once you've located the text layer, the first thing you need to do is select it. You can do this by simply clicking directly on the text on the canvas. When it's selected, you'll see a bounding box appear around it, and the text layer will also be highlighted in the Layers panel on the left. With your text selected, look to the panel on the right side of the Figma interface. This is where all the properties and styling options live. At the top of this panel, you'll see different tabs like Design, Prototype, and sometimes Inspect, depending on your setup. Make sure you're in the Design tab. If you're not, just click on the word Design in the upper right area of this panel. This ensures that you're viewing and editing the visual properties of your text rather than interaction or code details. Now that you're in the Design tab with your text selected, it's time to adjust the visuals. In this panel, you'll see sections for typography, layout, fill, and stroke, among others. To change how the outline or border of your text looks, you'll want to go to the stroke section. If you don't see it right away, scroll down a little in the right-hand panel until you find the area labeled Stroke. Clicking on Stroke lets you control the color and thickness of the outline that can appear around your text. While many people focus only on fill color, Stroke can be a powerful way to make text stand out, especially on busy backgrounds. Here you can adjust the color swatch to choose a new color, and you can tweak the stroke width to make the outline thinner or thicker. As you make changes, you'll see them update on your canvas in real time, which helps you judge what looks best. If at any point you don't like the result, you can either undo your changes using standard undo shortcuts, or simply turn off the stroke by unchecking it. That way, you can experiment freely until you're happy with how your text looks. And that's all you need to do. Click on your text, switch to the Design tab in the upper right, and then go to the Stroke section to control the outline styling of your text in Figma.